Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. If you haven't joined my channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. If now you be say you need updates, different updates, crypto flashing. If you need updates on Facebook hacking, if you need updates on crypto, different crypto flashing method, please make sure you just join this YouTube channel, subscribe and like our video, watch our video. We have different tutorials on our channel. Make sure you join our Telegram, WhatsApp, YouTube, everything. Join, subscribe to all our channel for more updates. So in today's video, I want to teach you guys how to flash USDT, real USDT on TronLink Wallet. How to flash USDT on TronLink Wallet. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for this app. It is called TronLink Wallet. So we are flashing this thing on TronLink Wallet. Once you are on your Play Store or App Store, download the app. So this is the app. Let's install it. So we wait for the installation. So once installed, then we create an account. You understand? Then we create an account. It's very sharp update based on say if you need USDT or TRS, it's even USDT and TRS can flash on this wallet. So let me teach you how to go about it. We open our wallet, understand, then we can create new wallet. So you swipe down the agree terms and conditions. So if you want to create wallet, it's very easy. Just do the necessary thing here and create wallet. Understand? So I'll be putting my password. Let me check the password. Let me put the password. So once you're done, click on done, then you click on I understand, then you click on create wallet. So once you create the wallet, you can skip this or you set up this thing. But let's skip it. I understand, still skip. You understand? If you want to back up, you can back up. You understand? So let's explore TronLink like this. Enter TronLink. So this is the interface of the app. So once you are on this interface, the only settings you do and you tell your client to do is just that telling your client if you want to use it or you want to load, because we don't have any amount here. So if you want to load it, there's a website you use to load it. You understand? If you need the full details of the website, I will give you. You understand? Just bring small token to get the full update. You understand? But if you get access to the website, that means you already gained the full tutorial by paying. Maybe you pay. That is why you are getting the full tutorial if you are watching this video. So like this now, if you want to set it, it's very easy. Just click on me. You understand? Once you click on me, then you click on settings. You click on settings. This is settings. So the only thing you want to do, you just change the network. This network here, where is it? This change network here, you click it. So once it's on Tron Mainnet, you understand? It's on Tron Mainnet. What you do is just you switch the thing to. Okay, so once you click on this show test network, you understand? This is it. If you click on show test network, they will bring different options. So this Tron Mainnet, you switch it to 9 testnet. You understand? Because that is the only thing you tell your client to do. Just tell your client to choose it to 9 testnet, then click on yes, continue. You understand? So once it's switched to to 9 testnet, you are good to go like this. All you have to do now is just copy your wallet address. So I want to flash my client, or I want to send my client USDT. You understand? But this site, okay, let's say we should back up. So let's try and back up first. So then we'll complete the main details. So we should back up so that we can copy the wallet address. So let's click on backup. So I'll be putting my password. So this now they'll ask me a quick question to solve here. Understand? The number 4 here, number 4 on this line here. The number 4 is news. So I'll click on news. The number 6 on this thing you see is bargain. The number 6. Why the number 11 is beef? So click on complete. Now we already back up the wallet. You understand? You can still back up the wallet from beginning, so that you won't be facing all these steps I'm doing now. You can just back up the thing from beginning. You start. So it's still the same thing. So click on USDT, then we see, then just copy your wallet address. Once you copy your wallet address, you head over to the site. You understand? So if you get access to the site, that means you have paid. So I'm going to the site now. So after I claim the thing on the site, you come back here and refresh whether it has reflect. So let's refresh. You can see now the TLS shows instantly. Maybe it's the VPN you are not using, that's why the thing is not reflecting. Okay, so also showing the balance. So guys, after we refresh multiple times, I noticed that it is a network conjecture within the crypto space. All those kind of things they happen normally. So now why the thing no reflect? Understand? The thing, once you transfer, you notice when I enter this USDT, this thing shows. It shows like the thing received, but it didn't reflect. So I tried sending from one of my wallets, the one I have USDT already. So I sent to it, I received it, but it doesn't reflect that like instantly. So we have to wait. So I just wait and check back again. Then it shows. You can see it. It's very sharp. So if you need this update, just DM me and get the tutorial at affordable price. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, join our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp channel for more updates. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.